Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram on your laptop very easy and fast. Let's get started. First thing, go to the bottom left and type Microsoft Store. Go to Microsoft Store. And type Instagram on search. In case you don't have it in here, type Instagram. And to download it, click on Get. And once it's finished downloading, click on Open to use it. And that is all you need to do to download Instagram on your laptop. If this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next video.